Let's do simplification problem for the irrational numbers. Let's start with the first one. We have 8 root 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 4 root 3. Right? So how to solve this kind of questions? Very interesting. Let's start. Consider this root 3 as x only. Like 8x minus 2x plus 4x. So how we were solving this in algebra? Very simple. 8 minus 2, that is 6. 6 plus 4, that is 10. And x remain as it is. In the same manner, you need to solve over here. 8 minus 2, that is what? 6 root 3 plus 4 root 3. Done. Now 6 and 4 is going to give you what? 10 root 3. Very simple. Right? This kind of questions are possible for 1 mark, 2 mark, depends. Right? Now let's discuss the second one. We have here composite number inside the square root. So first of all, we need to simplify, we need to convert into proper form, right? If there is any hidden perfect square there, like we did previously. So let's start with that. Square root of 50 can be expressed as square root of 25 into 2. That is, if we take the 25s out, that is 5 only, and here it is 2. For square root of 98, we can write that is square root of 49 multiply by 2, right? So 49 is the perfect, it is a square of 7, so 7 and here root 2. And last, square root of 162. Now if you must be thinking that how do I come to know this 49, 25? Okay, these are small numbers, but when it comes to big numbers, how to do this one, right? So very basic, you just prime factorize it. That's the easier way to do it. 162, let's start with 2, here 8, and here 1 za. Now see, 81 is the perfect square, right? So 81 2 za is 162, right? We just want perfect square, that's it. No need to do complete even, right? So here we can write that 81 multiplied by 2. Now square root of 81 is 9 and here it is 2. So we have simplified these three terms. Now let's add or subtract whatever according to the question given over here. So first of all, square root of 50. So what we can write? 5 square root of 2 minus square root of 98, that is 7 square root of 2 plus here 162. So 162 we can write 9 square root of 2. This is similar to the previous one that we discussed, right? Here it was straightforward given that we have the square root of 3 common here, but here we have square root of 2, right? So 5 minus 7, that is minus 2. So let's write minus 2 square root of 2 plus 9 square root of 2. Minus 2, here minus 2 plus 9, that is 7 square root of 2. Very simple. So this is the final answer. This is just the simplification. Very basic question it is, right? So remember this, you can consider 8x, 2x and 4x, right? As far as the number in the square root is same, then only. If it is square root of 3 and square root of 5, then we cannot do simplification. Remember, it will remain as it is, right? So this is how we solve when we have some number, right? Term, I think particular number in the term is common. Same here, if it is not in the simplified form, if it is in the composite form, then we need to simplify first, then we need to do the simplification, right? Let's discuss the next sum.